I'm talking about why starting Social Security at age 62 could cost you over $500,000. My name is Ashley Michike. I'm the CEO of True North Retirement Advisors, where we specialize in retirement and exit planning for business owners. We help you value your business, make a plan to exit your business, and pivot into the next chapter of your life financially secure. Last week, I was working with a husband and wife couple who are going to retire next spring. Yay, they're retiring. And one of the things that we looked closely at was their Social Security decision. So they're retiring in their early 60s, and actually they're going to retire before they're going to be eligible to take Social Security. So what they've assumed all along is that they're just going to take Social Security as early as possible. But when we ran the numbers, it actually would be a huge mistake for them to do that. So when I ran the numbers for them, the difference in taking Social Security, their lifetime income difference, if they live to their life expectancy of taking Social Security at age 62 versus waiting until age 70, was almost $600,000 difference in lifetime benefit that they would receive. If they waited until their full retirement age, which is about 67 for both of them, it's a $400,000 difference in lifetime income that they would get more if they waited at least until their full retirement age. So this is no joke. This is not something to take lightly. You really want to look closely at what your Social Security benefit is going to be and how that's going to impact your lifetime income. When I showed this to the client, when I showed them the actual numbers of taking Social Security at age 62 versus taking it at 67 or even 70, their mind was absolutely blown. They had no idea that they would be sacrificing that much income over their lifetime if they waited, if they took it early at age 62. And the same is true almost regardless of the situation. So the difference is even more dramatic if your income is higher. So the higher your income is, the larger the difference is between the lifetime income of taking it at 62 versus waiting until you're a little bit older. And that's because Social Security benefits increase a little bit every year the longer that you wait. I think there's a lot of myths around Social Security and when you take it. So if, for example, if you wait until you're 70, a lot of people say, well, I don't want to do that because then I have to live until my 80s in order to have that strategy make sense. Actually, that's not true. Most of the time when I do a Social Security analysis for a client, the break-even age, in other words, this is the age that you have to live to in order for strategy B to make sense over strategy A, which might be taking it early, is typically in the mid-70s. So for this client in particular, actually, if they waited until 70, they only have to live until age 74 and 76, respectively, husband and wife, in order to have the taking it at age 70 strategy make sense financially in the long run. So pretty powerful stuff when you look at how long do I have to live in order to make this strategy work. And that should go into the equation as well, considering that most people today who are close to retirement are going to live into your 80s. And there's almost a 50-50 shot that if you're married, one of you is going to live to age 90. With healthcare continuing to advance, we're living longer and longer and longer, and so it makes even more sense, unless you're already in poor health, to wait as long as possible to take Social Security. Because even if you lived until your mid-70s, it still makes sense most of the time to wait as long as possible. This begs the question of, okay, so if I'm going to retire, let's say you retire at age 64, but you wait until age 67, 68, 69, maybe age 70 to take your Social Security benefit. But you need that income that Social Security is going to provide. So here's how you plug that gap. If I run the numbers for a lot of clients, it actually makes sense for them to, if they're going to retire before they start Social Security to take higher withdrawals from their investment portfolio in that gap of time while they're waiting to start Social Security. And then a lot of times what they'll do is once Social Security starts and they have that income stream, then they'll reduce what they're withdrawing from their portfolio. This works really, really well, and it can help to ensure that you are maximizing your lifetime benefit, not leaving $500,000 or more on the table because you took Social Security early, and using your portfolio withdrawals instead to kind of plug that gap between when you retire and when you take Social Security. Here's what I want you to do. Take the time to fully understand your Social Security decision and make a smart decision. There is too much on the line, too much that you could give up if you make a decision that is not fully informed. So understand what the difference is between taking it at 62 or 66, 67 or 70. Run the numbers for yourself, and that will help you make the smartest decision possible about your Social Security. If you would like to run the numbers for Social Security analysis for your particular situation, I have a special treat for you. If you email me what your monthly benefit amount is at your full retirement age, I can run the numbers for you. We usually charge $1,000 to do this analysis if you're not a client of True North. But for those of you who are watching this video, it's free. Email me your monthly benefit amount at full retirement age to Ashley M, that's ASHLEYM, at TrueNorthRA.com. I'll put a link in the comments below where you can email that to me as well. And I will run the analysis for you and show you exactly what it will look like to take Social Security at various ages to help you make a smart and informed decision about your Social Security. Thanks for watching. My name is Ashley Michike. Please like, comment, subscribe to our channel, especially if you have questions. Chances are, if you have a question about Social Security, somebody else does too. So your question can benefit other people, and I respond to every single comment and question. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you next time. I wonder if Coke will sponsor me. I think I need more than 20 subscribers first for that to happen.